Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be showing how to get this exact like Japanese one. I'm gonna show you. So just search emoji, yeah, like that, and I pick the one you want. I'm gonna do this one. Actually, no, I'm gonna put the one this one bundle. This one. And I just took off the watermark, but shout out to Sandy. And I already have it. I'm just gonna download it so as you can do what you can do. And this is it. This is it. And I like to use this so it can be larger, you know. But I'm trying to speed this up because I like only have 3 minutes to film this. And then zoom it in like this. Then you can do this. Then like this. Actually, you can like use the bucket tool to do this. To do the thing. And you can just do this. This is really and that's all. Oh, and by the way, you have to press this and go to here and save image. It was okay. And you should have it in your folder. Yeah, here. Hope this helped.